everyone, hope you are doing good. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo X3 Pro and Find X3 Lite. So if in this device, if you are having any problem like the temperature of device increases or your device heats up while using, you can fix the problem by following the few steps and tricks as I will show you. So before we move to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix this problem. Let's watch it.